Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will see how we can deploy WordPress in the ECS container using the Terraform script. So let's start with the video. So this is the Terraform script which I have written, and I have already uploaded this script on my GitHub account. You can go to my GitHub account and check this script. This is the script ECS Fargate WordPress RDS Terraform. We will use this script to install WordPress. I am using RDS service as a database. I am using MariaDB in this video. I am using ALB. This is the application load balancer, and this is the AWS file where I have required providers and initialize AWS. And this is the ECS file. As you can see, I have created a role here, and then I have created a task definition and ECS service. And this is the VPC. I have created a custom VPC and internet gateway, and I have created 3 subnets. All the subnets are public subnets, and here are the route tables. And this is the variable file where I have declared all the variables related to this script. You can go through it as well. So in this variable file, we have to change this access key and secret key. Let's generate a new key. Go to AWS account and go to users, create new user. Let's say test user. Select attach policies directly and select administrator access for now, and then create user. Click on the created user, go to security credentials and create access key. You have to select command line interface and then next. This is the access key and this is the secret key. I am using US East 1 region and the availability zones. Let's run this script. We have to go to terminal. I am in the current directory. Let's execute Terraform init. So this will initialize the providers. This will take some time. Providers are initialized successfully. So let's execute Terraform plan first. So as you can see, this will add 22 resources in AWS. To execute this, let's execute command Terraform apply. Enter yes and press enter. So this will add 22 resources in our AWS account. Let's go to our AWS account and check for RDS. We are using a US East 1 region. So you can see database is creating. This process will take some time. So let's wait to complete this process. All the resources are created. This is the WordPress URL. You can copy this URL and paste it in browser. So this is the first step. You can select English, continue, and you can set title here, my website. Username you can set admin, and this is the password. Let's use T for now. And install WordPress. So let's log in. This is the WordPress website. Let's go to AWS account and check for ECS. This is the cluster, and here is our service. If you want to destroy this infrastructure, you can simply destroy using Terraform destroy command. So this will destroy all the infrastructure from AWS account. This process will take some time. Hope you like this video. If you have any query, you can comment in the comment section. I would love to reply. Thanks for watching.